Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram name invisible. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. You'll find your name right at the top. Step 2. Now click on Edit Profile. You'll see your name displayed there, so go ahead and tap on it to edit. Step 3. Here comes the tricky part. You need to copy a special invisible character, and I've provided that in the description below. Make sure to grab that character. Step 4. Once you've copied the invisible character, go back to Instagram and paste it into the name field where your name was. Step 5. After that, click the check mark to save your changes. Step 6. Instagram will give you a little notification saying that you can change your name again in 14 days. Just agree to that notification. Step 7. That's it. Your Instagram name should now be invisible on your profile. Step 8. If you still see your name, try reopening the Instagram app to refresh your profile, and it should work. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.